Alright guys, another Friday night hockey game as Aggreko takes on Longchamps Sons. There you go, Dan, take a look. And I'm already tired from filling in for beach bums from the game before this. So we'll see how it goes, as we only got 7 skaters tonight. Longchamps second in the standings. It's a good test for us normally if we had more than 2 subs. It's going to be a tough one. Have to manage the game tonight.
Good job, Taylor.
There you go, Jamie. Jamie had the hat trick last time. See if he can keep the scoring up. Good patience. Go to the net, Admiral. Oh, there you go, George. Oh, rebound. Ah. Oh, rebound. Ah. Good save. There you go. Make sure you hit the net. Good shot, Dan. Nice job, Eric. There you go. Have it, Pete. Woo, good shot. Extra, 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 extra. Door, door, door.
I'm lucky.
What's that?
I don't want it.
It was enough to trip you.
Right in the crotch. What the hell? You guys see me, Doc? I thought I could jump higher.
Here we go, E2. Driving, driving, driving. Hard wrap around the net now. Ah! You got time, 15 seconds. Never really got set up on that power play, huh? Oh, there we go. Oh!
That's it. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah! We're playing all right. We're playing all right. George, just make sure when you're at the front of the net, whatever side of the ice the puck's on, I want you at that near post instead of far. Don't try and wait for that pass to come across. I'd rather you in front taking the goalie's eyes. Good deke, Mike. Hey! Oh, wouldn't go in. Oh, the rebound did though. Nice hustle. Who got that? Was that Mike or Jamie? I think it was Mike. Oh, almost tipped it into his net. Whoa!
Nice save.
Well, we're just gonna call blatant stick to the skates, knocking them over, tripping? What the fuck has this league come to? Here we go, Mike.
Okay. Stop, Caleb. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That could be your stop, Caleb.
Good work here, guys. Evan, nice of you to join us.
Thank you. So all we need to do is drink more beer.
That's right.
Okay? They're drinking on the bench.
If we drink more beer, our vision will double, and that 1 will morph into an 11, and then we win.
Which 11?
Paul, you haven't had a
That's a good point.
No, I know.
little
And the shots will be 1,111 shots on there.
Guys,
so
gonna get the shots.
Sounds about right. Sounds about right. And here we go, E2. Take a look. Take a look. Oh, oh! Ah, that would have been too perfect. Good save. Good work, Paul. Well done. Stopping everything from getting across the blue line. It's great work. Here we go, George. Oh, great save. Fantastic save. Oh, nice hustle, Paul. Good save. Might have been blocked. Uh-oh.
Sorry, Caleb.
That's all right. Ah, damn. So we're gonna need at least one more to tie. Woo. There we go, Pete. Take a look. Hey, nice play. Great setup on the back post, Mike. We did have one too many on the ice for a second there. Nice job, Mike. Oh! Oh no!
Good job, dude.
Thanks. Oh, damn. All right, 2 minutes exactly to get the tie. Here we go. Uh-oh, Mike's on the prowl. Mike's on the prowl. Nice job, Paulie! Short-handed, why not, Evan? Go with him. Nice work, Evan. Way to get it to the front of the net. 21 seconds. Oh, that's a good pass. Hella fucking nice job, Mike. Good game.
Yeah.
Nice save, Caleb.
Nice game, kid.
Way to play, Caleb.